Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Born Pretty Gothic Rose Writing Gel. I'm going to start this one off with some Model 1's black, regular old gel black nail polish. And I'm doing this on my extensions that I did with the poly gel. Don't freak out, I know I'm covering it up, but this was the plan all along. So I'm going in with my first coat of the black. And this is a really good one. I haven't used it in a while, and I was pretty impressed. It was good stuff. And here we go with the second coat. I did cure that first coat for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp. I'm just going in with that nice second coat. I probably could have got away with one coat, but you know how this girl thinks. So there we go. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup here. There's Woody. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I am going to play with some color clubs. Lady Liberty, $1 Million Listing, and Bright Lights. These are just toppers. I'm playing. Welcome to my sandbox. So I had these sitting out on my desk, and I just wanted to see them. And I figured I'm putting on black polish. Let's see. That has nothing to do with the spider gel. And today I'm just playing with it just a little bit. Just my first little giddy up and go with this spider gel, writing gel. I will have future videos coming where I really, work with it and see if I can come up with, a nice design. But while I had these extensions on, I thought I would do some serious playing. So I am putting those toppers over 3 of the nails, and I'm saving that ring finger to play with the spider gel. Now I'm going to go ahead and apologize because I've already seen the footage. I've been editing this video for a little bit, and I don't do so great staying in frame. So there's a little bling bling on those. So I do apologize for that, but I do want to, share this little crazy manicure that I'm doing with this bright yellow writing gel. Like I said, I've never played with this before, so, this is my first giddy up and go with it. And I thought I could just get into the pot and just kind of give it a little wiggle wiggle. But then I remembered Miss Nora from NAQ 57 talking about, you really got to stir it up good, and I didn't do that. So here, let's stir it up real good just a little bit, So I might need to stir it up even better than that. But for a while, this was like all the rave, and I do think it's a really neat concept. I've just, stuff like this, when I've never played with it before, it just kind of throws me off. But I do think it's cool, and I love that it comes in so many cool colors. So I finished just getting squirrely with this nail, and I'm doing a little bit of cleanup because I haven't cured this yet, and I want to get all of it off of my skin before I do cure it. I don't want y'all to feel cheated. I am going to play with this some more. And we're going to cured it for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to put a gel top coat over it. I guess at this point, really, you could put any top coat on it or not put a top coat at all. I'm just going through the steps like I normally would. I needed to smooth it out a little bit, too, with that top coat, I'll be honest. So now that I've got my top coat on there, I'm going to go in with Woody and do a little bit more cleanup just to make sure before I cure this rascal. And I'm going to cure it under my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And here it is in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And look forward to more with this. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.